Peanut butter blondies. Soft, chewy, and filled with peanut butter flavor. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Now let's sweeten things up. All right, we're going to want to start by getting a 9x9 baking sheet. It could be 8x8 if you want, but I've got 9x9 baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And we're going to go ahead and set this aside, and we're going to grab a large mixing bowl and a hand mixer. Okay, in the large mixing bowl, we're going to want to combine 1 stick or a half a cup of melted unsalted butter and 1 cup of light brown sugar. Now we're just going to want to stir this until it is combined. We're going to go ahead and add in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to go ahead and use our hand mixer now, and we're going to stir to combine. Now that we've got that all combined in there, we're going to add a half a cup of peanut butter. We're going to go ahead and take our mixer, and we're going to incorporate the peanut butter into that brown sugar mix. And if you haven't noticed, I've been mixing this on low. We don't need to get any higher than low, just to mix it in. Okay, now we're going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And again, on low, we're just going to combine these. All right, once we have them combined, it'll be a thicker kind of brownie mix. It's supposed to be this thick. Don't worry about that. It'll be good. Go ahead and bring our lined baking sheet back over and put the batter right into the baking sheet and spread evenly. All right, now that we've got it spread evenly for the most part, we're going to put it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. It looks great. You can take a toothpick, but I've got a cake tester here. I'm going to go ahead and poke it in the middle, and it is coming out clean. So it is done. So what we're going to do now is just go ahead and leave it on a cooling rack, and we're going to let it cool for a few minutes before we go ahead and take it out and cut it. All right, the peanut butter blondies, they cooled off. I cut them into pieces. They smell great. Let's get David in here to try them. David, you're it. It's quick.
Right there.
Yeah, it's right there.
It's right there.
So
what?
Peanut butter blondies. I know you're not a peanut butter cookie
I love
fan,
peanut butter,
but he's a fan of peanut butter, so I thought I'd try peanut butter blondies.
I don't like peanut butter cookies.
They're like
I
a
don't like
brownie,
peanut butter ice cream.
but without chocolate.
I don't like peanut butter fudge. I do like peanut butter fudge. What am I saying? I'll try it.
It still feels soft and like chewy in the middle.
Okay. What is that like? It's kind of weird.
Right.
Not weird bad. It's kind of like a dense cookie, but it's not dense.
It's supposed to be. Blondies are kind of the other version of a brownie without chocolate.
Yes. It's kind of a odd brownie. I don't know what else to say, man. You got to try them, obviously. If you like peanut butter, you like peanut butter. It's definitely peanut butter cookie.
Trust the process. Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
See ya.